I'm having a reaction to his knee-jerking. Is this what a knee-jerk reaction is? She couldn't stop laughing. She's just thinking, this is a perfect example of me having a reaction to something that's happening, and then she wasn't bothered by it anymore. She thought the universe deliberately brought this knee-jerking man. She always thought that it were her knees that were jerking in a knee-jerk reaction. The universe is so funny. Don't you think the universe is funny? Don't you think it's a wonderful thing that whatever you're wanting to know will come? Don't you like knowing that if you can get out ahead of it? So meditation is a very good way. The other way is what we are calling segment intending. And segment intending means being in a segment, aware that you're going to move into another segment, and using this segment to make your statements of desire about the next one. And so Esther has begun. She has several notebooks full of these segments now. She's discovered that by focusing on a word, a feeling word, like I feel eager, or I feel satisfaction, or I feel blessed, or I feel open to what's coming next, or I feel an eagerness for understanding, or I feel blessed in this moment. As she finds these words that in writing them slowly generates the emotion within her, what she's noticing is that she said to a friend the other day, I thought segment intending, because we've been talking about it for a while. The first recording that we made with Jerry was the law of attraction. The second one was the law of deliberate creation. The third one was the art of allowing. The fourth one was segment intending. That's how far back this idea of deliberately focusing goes in this spewing that Esther's been doing for us. And Esther said, I thought that what segment intending was recognizing that I'm getting into my vehicle and I'm now saying to the universe, I want safety, and I want smooth transfer, and I want cooperative drivers. And it is some of all of that. It's focusing all of that. But Esther said, now I'm understanding that it's not about me, powerful me, hooking up with source energy and getting out there and changing circumstances and events in order to accommodate me. Hear this. No, it's me finding words that make me words of blessing, words of love. It's about me deliberately affecting my point of attraction so that as I move out into the world, my point of attraction lets in this good thing and this good thing and this good thing. Because as you move through space and time, it's all out there. So you're not dictating what out there is. I'm coming out there, get ready for me and be good, because I'm coming out there. That's kind of the way she thought segment intending was. Now she realized that I'm coming out there, and I know there's a lot out there, and here I am. This is who I am as I move out there, and law of attraction will gather up the out there that matches what's going on in here. Does that make sense to you? Segment intending is getting out ahead of it. It's identifying, is acknowledging the well-being of you, because life is coming at you. All kinds of things are out there, because this is a universe with so much diversity and so much contrast, so much variety. It's all out there. It's attraction, 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 attraction. So what is my state of being? What is my being of attraction? What state of being am I in as I'm moving through the seas of people in the airport and on the airplanes and in the restaurants and in traffic? What is my point of attraction? Meaning, what is my point of letting what in? What have I practiced? How do I feel? Step one is you sift through the contrast and you're asking for things as they come to you. That's as big as life really needs to be in terms of you filling your vortex full of powerful intentions. Your life has given you so much input, and you have come to so many really important decisions about who you are and what you want. You just don't need to stress over that. You're at the place where what you really want to do is just know that it's there and trust that it's there. It's there. We promise you that it is there. And then you get out ahead of any potential of blocking it off by making sure that you're not in a blocking off moment, by making sure that you're not in a hateful moment or a confused moment. Because if you're in a state of confusion, clarity can't get in. Well, Abraham, that sucks. If you're feeling not appreciated, appreciation can't get in. If you feel disadvantaged, if you feel abused, pretty soon somebody will be abusing you that's never abused anyone in their life. It's attraction, it's attraction, it's attraction, it's attraction, it's attraction, it's attraction. So you've done all the step ones, and the step two is all lined up for you. Now, your singular work is to, moment by moment, look for reasons to feel open and allowing of the good things that you've been asking for. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree? Yes. You're knowing what you are wanting? Are you enjoying the expansion of your own personal preferences and desires? Yes. Are you getting pretty good at staying up to speed with them? In other words, do you believe in your ability to accomplish whatever it is you have decided? Do you expect the universe to yield to you in detail the preferences that you are choosing? Do you expect the universe to surprise and delight you? Surprise you in the sense that it is so much more than you even knew you wanted, when what you wanted gets together with all of its combining and becomes the full manifestational experience. Do you find yourself in an experience where you are realizing that this is what you have been asking for, but it is more as it is fleshed out than you even knew it could be? Do you feel like that from time to time? That's what deliberate creation feels like. Creation by default doesn't feel so much like that, because if you have not taken the time to identify what you want and to realize that you are identifying it, to choose deliberately and to acknowledge your choices, and then to deliberately hold your thoughts more and more in the direction of your choices and not so much in the direction of why you have made your choices. I want this, and why? Because of how it feels in the full experience of it, rather than I want this because this doesn't feel so good. In other words, when you make that steady flip where you are out ahead of it, not fixing broken things and not trying so much to improve your life experience, but basking in the improvements. Can you feel the difference? Because when you're overcoming something, what you're trying to overcome is coming with you, and you're not overcoming it. When you're trying to get over it or move past it or fix it, then the resistance about it comes with you and slows you down.